Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first video of the year. I'm trying this doing the voiceover live rather than doing it later when I'm editing. I know I'm kind of late to be doing my first video for this year at this time. I feel I need to explain myself to you, my people. It just has been health issues that I've been facing. First 2 weeks I had a bad, terrible flu, I didn't have a voice. Then I grew an allergic reaction due to my sinuses. My eyes were like swollen closed, so yeah, I couldn't shoot any videos. But then for my first video of the year, I wanna let you know that I'm gonna be doing a Temu unboxing. I just bought some few things from Temu for the business. Most of the items I ordered are business related. Yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox and then yeah, that's just about it. Then I'll start shooting our regular makeup, and I'm also gonna be shooting a lot of nail videos this year. And yeah, that's just about it for now. Let's do the unboxing. Here we go. These are the items here that I'm gonna be unboxing, still sealed. So I'm gonna start opening the package. I don't know how I'm supposed to do something. I'm just gonna do what I know how to do, whatever I know how to do. Ooh, there we go. I don't know if I should. Okay, I'll be taking them out of the package as I ordered a fan. You know, the hand fan that we dry our setting spray with or cool our makeup with. When it's hot, you can use it personally. Yes, let me try it. There our fan is. Next we're gonna unbox some whole different things of false eyelashes in different colors, shapes and sizes. So I ordered a whole lot of them. There they are. I think I'll do that. Is not for the business. I ordered these bendy rollers. Let me put this aside. Bendy rollers for styling with hair. And these are the studs that I think I once made a video. These are the studs, they're like diamante that you makeup studs can place on your face, all over your face, on your hair, on your head, however, whenever, even on my eyes. I once did a makeup where I had sparkling eye makeup. This you could use for that. Oh, next. What is this? Oh, this is let me try and open it so you guys don't see it. This is what do we call these? Oh, this we call a mousse setting paper. So when you style your hair with mousse, then you wrap it around to set it as it dries. Mousse foam. Next, what is this? I'm excited for this one. I ordered myself in April. Makeup artist April. Let's see. It off yet. I'll continue my face, my apron on. what do we donuts scum. I don't know if you can see there like a donut shape that you create a bun or some Afrocentric style. What is only people wanted to try? And this is it's a brow pomade. Brow pomade for this. Use the brush instead to the side there to apply on the eyebrows. It's an eyebrow pomade. It's set to dry. Okay. Then next, I want to do this one last one. It's kind of huge. Okay, let me just unbox it. Few stuff left in the package. Here we have kettles, hair tying kettles, black ones. So when I'm styling weddings, I usually need a lot of these. When I'm styling bridesmaids, hairstyles, this is a wig cap. The one you put in a mannequin head to create your wig cap. Here, this is, okay, let me first unbox this one. This is a, let me show it to you, makeup brush cleaner for when you do your makeup. You know, sometimes we blow our brush, we pick up the product and then you blow it off. Instead of blowing off, you can clean it. Okay, a makeup artist wears this on their wrist. See? Bring it on my wrist, and then the material here. Oh God, I don't know. I think it. Okay, I guess I'm not supposed to be wearing my watch when I'm gonna be using this. But basically, this material is compatible for cleaning off your brushes for when you wanna reduce the product. Then next, I will unbox this concealer palette. Okay, now let's open my palette. This is the palette, concealer palette. It has all tones of colors to highlight and low light. I wanna unbox this one. Oh yeah, this is a what do we call this? This is a liquid. It's a concealer blending brush. You set your concealer. Not concealer, foundation blending brush. It spreads because it's kind of big enough. Spreads fast and blends makeup so well. This brush. And these are my nail art, different nail art. You know the ribbons that they place on nails as nail art? These are the nails, right? Also, there's pearls, there's gold, black ribbons, red ribbons, white ribbons, curly ribbons. Let me try this side, I don't know if it will show better. I hope it's going to try this side, I don't know if it will show better. It's just nail art, basically. See, I told you it's business stuff. Then, this must be the pretty long. Can also be a selfie stick on the go. And then this last one, it is rolling wheel. It's a cart pulling wheel. Yeah. I bought this for my other makeup kit that is rolling. I wanted it to be on wheels, but since it is on wheels, it's not me buying same thing but on wheels. I thought let me buy the wheels separately. Then you attach it because this comes with an attaching thingy, elastic. You can all the whatever your luggage is. Your traveling bag, you attach all this and then let me open it. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. keys. Okay, let me place it on the table. So okay, so this is where you place your luggage bag or I'm gonna put my makeup kit here. Place it here. This stretches longer, so you can put it there. Yeah. Then it comes with a rope. You attach it on the thing on the back of the thing. Then it's a rolling makeup kit. Yeah, that's just about it. It's quite a number of stuff that I got for the business. I just wanted to try Temu. Thank you. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Thank you for sticking around up to that.